What's up YouTube? Hi, this is Ashish and you're watching my channel Vlog Venom. So I have got a contract from a contractor to shoot this beautiful Ghodbunder fort because these guys are renovating this and luckily मुझे drone shot लेने का मौका मिला है. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot this Ghodbunder fort. It's really very beautiful and people do come here, but it's not like, you know, पूरा खंडर है and these guys are renovating this thing. So and I'm taking the drone shots for the Ghodbunder fort. It's gonna be beautiful and meanwhile मैं शूट भी कर रहा हूँ. मैं GoPro कैरी किया तो मैंने लकीली व्लॉग भी कर लिया and I'm gonna shoot it up. So it's gonna be a big thing for me to shoot this Ghodbunder fort officially. So there you go and watch the drone shot. So guys, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell notification icon. Thanks for watching the video.